Gold traded with modest bearishness throughout the day. We have seen it getting resistance at around 26.75, 76, and on the downside 26.58, 60 proven out to be a greater support. The levels which we had discussed few hours back in our first update with the Asia and Europe session, I have very clearly mentioned that on the downside we will see a good support at 26.58, 60. Now, can we expect it to break these levels with the US session? Can we expect a move towards 26.50? Or there is a possibility of a recovery and a rise here? What's gonna be our strategy in order to profit trading gold today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade and trade with profits and trade with confidence. This is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis on multiple time frames. Thus, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's First, gold on the hourly chart, see it has come down to the zone where it is consolidated from where we have seen it retracing. Right now, it is trading in this bearish channel, delivering a couple of spikes. We can see the 20 period moving average is proving out to be a greater resistance, and it is right now positioned at 26.75-76 zone. That is going to remain the prime resistance for it to break past by in order to turn bullish today. Very clear. The stochastic has come to oversold zone. See, MACD is retracing. It is still not bearish. Look, the rise was strong, the retracement is gradual, and if it crosses over, it can deliver another bullish move here. RSI is already at bottom. On the 2-hour charts, when you see, remember the point that the preceding few candles comes with bigger wicks, and then you can see lower lows here. Lower lows means we can expect it to drop more, but on the downside, first it needs to break below 26.58, then 26.54, 55, and then 26.50 levels or 48.50. Now these 3 levels very important. Then 26.40, the foremost and I will say the most important level for the day, for the week, because below 26.40 I will expect it to move towards 26.20 levels, and in fact 2600 should be there very soon. Look at the formation drop, consolidation drop, retracement, lower highs, lower lows. Where are the lows heading towards? 26.20 levels. The stochastic oversold. MACD, if you look at the MACD, has again crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI is also hitting the bottom here. Coming to 3 hour, look at the 3-hour charts here. If you find that, you can notice that there is a greater consolidation which has happened at around 26.54, 26.50 zone. Then we have seen it rising. Now see, this is a retracement. I will say as long as it fails to breach below 26.50, I will say this is under retracement. A rise and a recovery from these levels cannot be denied. Where is the exact bulls for the day? If it breaks beyond 26.85.90, you can say that it is turning bullish, else it is not bullish for the day. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD has crossed over. It is trading with slight divergence, slight bearishness. The RSI is also sitting at the bottom here. And if you see the 4-hour, now likewise on the 4-hour chart, see, preceding 2 candles are important. See, it is shown higher highs and it is shown lower lows. Swings are there. Also, this is the support zone where we have seen it consolidating earlier, from where we have seen a reversal sign and the prices has seen an upward move. Now it is very important how it behaves at around 26.58, 60, 26.54, 55, and then 26.50, 48. If these 3 levels are taken, just stay short. We are looking forward to a greater down move here. What is happening? Just notice this. See, I can say that a slight drop in bearishness or diminishing bearishness you can observe, but once it breaks out beyond 26.58, 54 and 50 zone, you can expect a greater down move here. Also notice what is happening. The median of the Bollinger Bands and 20 period moving average are proving out to be greater resistance. So for the day, this is the most important zone, that is 26.85.90, and the first and the strongest one is at 26.75.76. So if this is taken, expect 26.82.84 zone as the next target, and beyond 26.84 just stay bullish for 26.90. Right now the momentum is not very much supportive of a recovery here. The stochastic is oversold. MACD again crossing over for sell, trading with slight bearishness. The RSI is hitting the bottom here. Coming to daily. And before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Very important to have a broker which offers you a safer environment for you to trade. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. See, one bearish candle is step and the second bearish candle today has appeared. Now what is happening here? It is if it fails to close below the 20 period moving average, means if gold closes the day above 2665 66 zone, you can say it is not bearish. It has just erased the gains from this candle. It has retraced and it has formed a base, and we can look forward to a recovery tomorrow. This possibility you should not ignore. This is definitely a very good support zone, but remember, all the support and all the resistances are meant to be broken, and thus once it stays below 2658, you may expect that gold will try to trade with more bearishness. How far, how low? 2620 has to be there, and $26 levels, 2600 can be seen here. Right now I will say for the day, I will still say that it is getting a very good support here, and thus first thing is where to buy. You can buy here at 2666 levels, expect 2670, 2675, 76, and if it breaks 2675, 76, stay bullish for 2682, 84. Only and only if it breaks beyond 2682, 84, you can say that the bulls are back. You can look forward to a rise towards 2690, and if it breaks beyond 2690, stay bullish for 2700, 2710 levels. Chances for such a rise appears to be less. It may. And on the downside, yes, a selling entry at 2658 can be taken. Expect 2654, 55, 2648, 50. Below this 2640, we can aim for 2620 is the next targets very, very soon. But I think it is going to take a time. Today, it is definitely going to stay in zone. That is what it appears. I do not see a stronger breakout either on the upside or downside. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Seekless channel. Do not miss to watch twice a day updates. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.